Back. Today I'll show you how to enter Fastboot mode on the XIAOMI Mi A2. Hold down the power key for a few seconds, tap power off, and confirm again. Use the combination of power key and volume down, hold both together for a few seconds. Release all keys as soon as Fastboot mode appears. You can use this mode or quit it by pressing power key and volume down again. Release them when the phone restarts. The device will reboot into normal mode and you can use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.